Yeah, it's just some of the busted up we just got.
Do what?
Nothing.
Just some of the words we just busted up.
Oh.
Could have been from anywhere. We could have drugged from the street to there on the way back. It's kind of hard to tell. We didn't bring back a whole lot. I brought back a lot more roots than that before. Me and Tristan pulled out a good 2-3 footer before. I've been told they get much bigger than that. I pulled out like 4 or 5 foot with Todd one time. I was like, holy crap. And Todd goes, nah, I pulled out like 10 foot long pieces.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. He goes, it sucks to auger it though. You get the auger all the way through it to pull it back.
Turn on that sink real quick.
You turn the sink on or flush toilet?
Turn the sink to hot and then flush.
Yeah.
There she is. Beauty. And that's the entrance into the clay.
That changes something else? Right there?
Yeah, that was the change to clay.
Okay.
We just hit the change to clay right here, I think.
Okay.
So now we're in that big old clay out there. Alright, you can turn her off.
You can turn it off.
Got to be anyways.
You flush again?
Half flush. I forgot that the house comes in the back with it.
The water comes in the back?
Yeah, I forgot about that. That's so weird.
Yeah.
What is that?
Because every other town I've ever been to, the water's in the front.
Oh.
And I do mean every other town. Carbondale, Overbrook, Topeka, Tecumseh. Because it makes more sense for them to run it by the streets when they run all the other services, like your sewer, your main, your gas, your water main, your gas, your electrical, phone line.
Our electrical comes out of the alley, the water comes out of the alley. There's quite a few sewer that run out of the alley. Most are in the front though. All the electricals in the alley.
There's some chopped up roots there. Still waiting on the water.
Is that a root there?
Yeah. These are all just chopped up. I mean, that's why they're moving down.
Oh.
turn this place to a rental then?
They're talking about selling it now, again.
Well, if you sell it, when you sell it, you will not pass your sewer inspection.
Why?
You won't pass it.
Really?
No.
Why not?
You have roots coming in. It won't make a difference.
Even though we got it all cleaned out.
No, it's still.
Oh yeah, no, we can clean it out. That just means that we get rid of what's in there right now. It doesn't mean that they're not going to come right back.
Auger's a Band-Aid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Good for a couple of years.
it depends.
Usually about a year. And a year is how long it lasts because 75 years.
When they put 6 kids in here,
You have 6 kids? You said what?
when they put 6 kids here,
You want more water?
But I have to.
Pretty sure that's Maine. I'm pretty sure it's right there.
There she goes.
Yeah, there's Maine. 78 feet.
78. Cool.
and we need to flush it again, and try and get those roots out.
You can run as much water as you'd like to, but I'm just, as far as like trying to sell it with inspection, we do a lot of inspections for houses getting sold. That one would not pass.
That one we not know.